Andrew Cartwright recently posted a video called $0 to $2.8 million, the infinite money glitch. Anytime someone says money glitch in business, that should immediately raise a question. Because real businesses rarely have glitches. They have numbers, contracts, and risk. Today, we're breaking down the math. Andrew starts by explaining why starting a business can be expensive. He estimates roughly $177,000 in first-year costs for legal setup, rent, marketing, and payroll. Many startups struggle, and some never become profitable. So that part of the argument? Reasonable. Then he compares that to buying a business. Buying existing cash flow instead of building it. His example, purchasing a company earning $250,000 for $750,000 using an SBA loan with 10% down. But then the video introduces what Andrew calls the infinite money glitch. His example comes from opening cell phone retail stores costing about $80,000. According to the story, carriers provided up to $120,000 in market development funds, which supposedly leaves $40,000 in profit immediately. Sounds incredible. But here is the real filter. Market development funds are usually reimbursements, not free money. They are tied to specific advertising requirements and strict corporate compliance. Programs like this depend heavily on timing. What worked then might not exist today. Scaling dozens of stores means managing leases, staff, and inventory. That's not a glitch. That's running a large retail operation. In business, there are no glitches. There are only opportunities that work under specific conditions and specific numbers. Because if the numbers don't work, there's no glitch. Only risk. This is Business Reality Check. We dissect the math, not the hype.